Yeah, so welcome to my YouTube channel. The name still remains the same. I'm kind of Rhymes, the co-founder of Randall Technology Company. Yeah, so on today's episode, I want to talk about why African YouTubers hate Mawe and his family. Why African YouTubers hate Mawe and his family. Yeah, because like I've come across a lot of so-called YouTubers reactors, like they react to some videos, and I've come across a lot of them, and when they try to react to I am always video, they always reacted negatively. They don't talk about the good things the guy is doing. They always talk about they also frame words. Let me say the frame words and be like the guy is fraud, the guy is beggar and things. So today I want us to talk about these things, the reason why they hate them. So number one, the first point on my list is because I am always global. Right now, like I am always in America. After America, you'll be like, let me go to Europe and things. Like it's global, and a lot of people in America watch his video. Yeah, most of his viewers are from America. You see that thing? So like they don't have this privilege for Americans to watch their videos. That's why they want to tarnish the name of Ayamare so that the people in America will never help Ayamare when he needs, let's say, funds to develop his village. Yeah, and because like they got those privilege, and because it's not them, that's why they are trying to tarnish the image of what I am married. Yeah, and number two is he's bigger. He's the biggest YouTuber in Africa, no doubt. Yeah, he's the biggest YouTuber. Yeah, like right now I know that a lot of people judge in terms of, let's say, subscribers. Like this guy have 1,500,000 subscribers, 500k subscribers and things. But Amara is lesser than 500k subscribers, but he's doing a lot of breaks. 1 million or 2 million subscribers who that cannot do it. So this one, like this one pissed the others off, and the others will be like, yo boy, you're my friend, so react badly towards Ayamare so that like he will give up, so that like he will go down. But the guy is still strong. He's still strong, doing his own thing. And I don't know why people are like this. Like we are all the same African YouTubers. I don't know. Like one thing is, so if Ayamare doesn't create a content, they will never do that, and the combat they'll go hungry. Like seriously, you're on YouTube, you call yourself a creator, at least you must be a versatile. You must create your own thing. Don't wait for someone to create his own video then you react to it. Never. Do your own stuff. If you get views, you get views. Don't try to tap in someone's views, because I am always well known, so they think that let me react negative towards I am alright, and a lot of people will watch me. And the third point is because I am always richer and becoming more richer than them, and he's trying to like make his family feel comfortable, the people in this village feel comfortable. You see that right now he have tried like his possible best to make more people in his village to be on YouTube, be on YouTube, because YouTube is the reason why he's right now. So he's not trying to be hypocrite or arrogant or something like that. He's trying to feed all the villages, so they say, oh okay, I made it through YouTube, so you can make it through YouTube. So all you need is go Gmail, create account, go YouTube, create account over there, and start creating your own content. You become more like me. And a lot of people will never appreciate the good things he is doing, and they are rather tarnishing his name. So if you think that Ayamaro is a beggar, he begs before he can chop or something like that, so why don't you to try and beg. So even if you will get even $1, you will never get even $1. But because Ayamara is right known and people know him for the good things he's doing for the village, right now the village is like it's like a tourist site. So I've already made a video that Ayamara village must be a tourist site, and the reason why it should be a tourist site. See the thing, it's well known. People know it. I'm from Ghana, and I know much about the village. Why? Because of Ayamara. I'm a Ghanaian, but I know much about this village because of Ayamara. So we should praise the guy rather than tarnishing or trying to pull him down. Africans we love pull down. If like the guy, like we say someone to go high, then we try to pull him down. These things we have to stop it. Like if the guy do bad thing, I'm not saying you should not react to it, but mostly all of distracts are reacting to it badly. Even if he is doing good thing, they also, oh, like I saw someone's like reacting to Amaris in America, and they said he sent weed and cocaine to America. Why are you saying this? Do you see Amara going to the airport with weed and cocaine, and the customs or immigration didn't catch him with those kind of stuff? We should stop those kind of things. We should stop. It's not good. And lastly, because he's trying to make his village more popular, and Emma for ya, like a lot of people are doing skin pain. You see that thing? Like if you want to be higher, you have to pray for the person who is more higher than you. You have to pray for the person, or else you can never be more higher than the person. Like if I want to be like I want to be more than like I have to learn the good things he's doing, so that I'll also do some in order to progress in life. Stop reacting badly. And do you know that all these reactors, like sorry to say you, like if you go to where they live or where they stay, like they haven't done anything there, but they are there. They have some 1 gig bundle. They are on YouTube reacting to someone's progress negatively. It's not good. Yeah, so I think these are the reasons why these YouTubers hate Ayamara, because they want to be like him and they can't be like him. So the thing is, if I can't be like you, then I should fight you. That's all. And this not going anywhere. So, Charlie, if you are from Africa, Kenya, Uganda, Ghana, Nigeria, Zimbabwe, we are all one. We should all love ourselves. Even if we are doing bad things, at least we have to project our good side for the people in America or Europe to see. Because like we have a lot of people in America, Europe who are watching our videos. So we have to do the good things for them to see. I'm out.